Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the diesel fuel filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should be able to see the diesel filter on the upper left of the engine compartment. You now need to disconnect the hoses. To disconnect the first hose, push on either side of the hose where there are green-coloured parts. This will help it unclip. Repeat this step for the second hose. Place a sufficient amount of paper towel under the hose to catch the diesel that will run out. Using a ratchet and a 13mm socket, unscrew the two nuts on the metal filter protection plate. Then remove it. Repeat this step on the other three hoses. You may want to use 2 screwdrivers. Remove the filter. Place the filter into a container to collect the liquid underneath. You can learn how to make one by watching another of our videos, How to Make a Collector for Liquids. You can then unscrew the draining screw on the filter to remove the oil present in the filter box. Remove the locking pin from the fuel line adapter by prying with a flathead screwdriver. Then remove the adapter. Finish draining the filter. Using a ratchet and a 10mm socket, unscrew the screw holding the filter ring. Then remove it. Get the new filter. Make sure the bleed screw is securely fastened. Then fit the filter into the ring. You can use pliers to do this. To reinstall the filter correctly, make sure the ring's clamping screw is aligned with the notch on the filter. Then screw the ring back on. Remove the caps on the hoses.
Hello, if this video helps you, like and subscribe.
Put the filter back in place. Reconnect the first hose to its housing. Reconnect the first 3 hoses and reconnect them. Put the metal protection plate back on the filter. Then screw the 2 nuts back on. Reconnect the last 2 hoses. Before starting your vehicle, pump the primer pump until it becomes hard. Operation completed.
please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.